While a lot of AI companies are trying to sell you the lowest quality tools for the highest price possible, one company has secretly been working on letting you use an AI model for free that does everything. You'll be able to generate videos from text or images and use its features to create long videos with the VEO 3.1 model. But that's only the beginning. It has all the tools you need. If you've ever wanted to create voices to narrate your videos, you've probably seen that platforms like 11 Labs are very expensive. Well, with today's tool, we can create voices for free.
Without hesitation, he entered the forest and began the journey.
So this is where I come in. I'm going to show you its 10 main features, so we'll never need to pay for AI again. But be careful, some people might not see these options yet. Don't worry. Throughout the video, I'm going to show you how to fix that. We're going to go into Google's video tool. I'm leaving the direct link along with all the prompts we're using today on my free website, link in the description. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to get it. To create the best videos, we need good images first. Here, we have several options for creating them. We can simply add a prompt, and we'll see that the results are pretty decent, but we can do much more. It's using the Nano Banana model, so if we ask it to show text inside the image, it will add it with no problem. We can create our own brand and ask it to make our name appear on all the products, or create eye-catching ads for brands. We can change the aspect ratio by clicking this option here to generate images in different formats, so that later, when we turn them into video, they'll keep that same format. This is an option a lot of tools don't have. If we click here, we can ask it to always keep the same style. If we look at channels getting millions of views on YouTube, we'll see that some of them follow a very simple animation style, but it stays the same in every video. Well, with this feature, we'll later turn all the images into video and be able to create our own channels very easily. But let's start with the important part. How do we create the videos? First, we'll see how to create them in a basic way, and then the features that will make our videos much better. If you want more tools like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave a positive comment. We go to the VEO section. Here, we'll be able to create the videos. Just like with the images, we'll have several options. We can add a prompt, and in a few minutes, it will turn into a pretty decent video. If we want to create videos without having to create images first, we have the option to choose the aspect ratio for each video, generating some really interesting things. But like I showed you before, we can upload images, like the ones we created earlier. Here, what I recommend is going to Images, locking in a style, and creating the images we need. Then we turn them into video, and we'll see that they keep a similar style. We can do this as many times as we want to create longer and longer content. I recommend clicking this button and adding eye-catching transitions between each clip so they feel more dynamic. There are several editing options that are pretty interesting. One section we didn't mention before is the audio in the videos. If we add to the prompt how we want it to sound, then when we generate it, it will follow that with no problem. Now, let's look at how to create voices, use its hidden features, and how we can use this platform. But first, I'm going to show you how to create videos like this. I created a super realistic ad just by uploading a photo of the product we want to appear in our video and the avatar. As you can see, the result is amazing. All of this happens inside Higgsfield. On this platform, not only do we get some of the best AIs for creating images, video, and audio, we also get tools like Higgsfield Marketing Studio, where, like we saw before, we can add an avatar. Choose the one you like best from this list, or upload your own. It can be your own image or another character. Now we upload the product we want our avatar to use. You can add an image or a URL of something we like so it can analyze it and add that product to the video. The best part is that if we click this button, we'll have a lot of ad formats to choose from. We can ask it to make a tutorial, an unboxing, or even a hypermotion video. Without having to do anything manually, this saves you from having to film, edit, and coordinate everything yourself, saving a huge amount of time and money. The videos are created using the Seedance 2.0 model. It's one of the best right now, and we can also use it to generate more than just ads in the video section. If you want to try it for yourself, I'm leaving the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. Now let's go back to vids. Like we were saying before, there are still a lot of useful options left to see. Let's start by generating the voices for our videos. We're going to click voiceover. Here we're going to select current scene, and we're going to write what we want the voice to say in each clip. We click change and select a voice we like from this catalog. The best part about doing it this way is that we can change the voice in each scene to have multiple characters. If we want to use the same voice the whole time, we can go to all scenes, add each line of text, choose the voice, and generate the audio. The voices sound very natural.
At last, he found the map that could change everything. Without hesitation, he entered the forest and began the journey. Behind the waterfall, the hidden entrance was waiting for him. When he opened the chest, a brilliant light burst out.
Another really interesting feature is record. We can combine AI-made videos with tutorials by recording our screen to create more complete videos. It also has a stock content platform where it already gives us resources to use in our videos. We have images, music, stickers, and several other things that I recommend you check out in case any of them help you. The next option I usually use is captions. With a single click on the design we like most, it will analyze what's being said in the audio and add subtitles with no problem. And finally, we can do simpler things like add text, shapes, or use templates. Now, if some of these options don't show up for you, don't worry. These are new features that they'll be rolling out little by little. On another account, some of these features don't show up for me either, and as you can see, I'm not a Google Pro user on either account. So if they don't show up for you yet, just be a little patient, and soon you'll be able to use all of them. Now, like I promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to show you how to get the free PDFs with all the information from today's video. Just go to my website with the link in the description, and we're going to click Free PDF. Once we're here, all we have to do is select the video we want the PDF from, click this button, and we'll have it downloaded. But there are also a lot of free options here that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. For example, we have a catalog that we keep expanding with free AIs that you can use from our website online and at no cost. We also have our own AI tools directory, where in one place you have grouped together, updated day by day, the best AIs for generating each thing for free. On top of that, you can see how the community rates them to help you choose better. We're also launching our new blog, where you'll find updated news about new free AI content. And this is only going to keep growing. If you want to stay up to date with the world of artificial intelligence for free, I recommend that you check out this website. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one.